Is that who I think it is? This is your Black China doll coming in today with another wig. The wig that I'll be doing today is Javina is what we'll be doing today. Okay, and it comes in assorted colors. Okay, these are the colors that it come in. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, I got this wig from samsbeauty.com. Most likely it is under $20 because the Wigpop line is an affordable wig line, so they're not going to be charging you no $50, $60 for no wig. And we love it. Thank you very much, Trey. Like this line. Okay, so I have her in chocolate swirl. Okay, so now the hair quality, it's okay. It's not shiny, and it's not yucky, so it's kind of in between. Okay, but here is the color. Okay, you got the curls at the bottom. It has that flesh part in there, and then we have comb in the back, 2 combs on the side with adjustable straps. Okay, now the good thing about this is it is under $20 and you don't have to cut any lace. Baby, you take her out the bag and she's ready. Okay, give her a little shake and she's ready to go. Okay, so let's go ahead and try her on and see what it's looking like. Okay, so here she is on. All I did was try her on. I ain't did nothing to her. Just put her on my head and finger combed her, okay? That's all I did. Now, this right here is giving me work. This is giving me work vibes. This is giving me church vibes. This is giving me, you know, important. This is boss lady hair. See, this right here, boss lady hair. This is, I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot. Okay, I like the length. The color works for me. Okay. Now, you're going to have to work on this part. Okay, that's a must. You're going to have to work on this part to make it do what you want it to do. But it is doable. This brown is kicking. Okay, this brown is kicking. Let me work on the part and I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So I tried to do a little something with the hairline. It still is a work in progress, but it's still a cute little wig. I really don't care about if the hairline is not working out or whatever, because it's work in progress, and once I figure out how to finesse that, it's perfect. Okay, so this here is Genevieve. What is her name? Javina. What's her name? Javina. This is her. Okay, I'm liking it. I'm liking the volume. I'm liking the movement. It's comfortable. Everything's good. Okay. This is Wigpop. Nice little number for the summertime. She's a little, you know, I would say anytime after 6 you can wear this wig. But high noon, no, this is not a high noon wig. Okay, but she's definitely a cute girl. I like her in this color. This color is working for me. I'm liking it. All right, so go ahead and check that out if you go to samsbeauty.com. You can find it. You can find it on Wig Types, or go to Google and Google Wigpop. What the hell is the girl name again? Geneva. No, it's not Geneva. Oh, I want to call her Geneva so bad. Javina. So I want to call her Geneva so bad. Google the wig. Google the wig and you will see that it's under $20, and I believe it's got it there. She's in a whole bunch of different stores or whatever. All right, guys, this is your Black China Doll coming in today with Wigpop, and I'm liking her. So remember, stay kind, be sweet, and stay out of trouble. Bye.